Good morning, kids. Myself, Priyanka Kataria from Samarpan Gyan School. So, kids, today I am going to teach you about big and small. Here, whatever written here, that look at the pictures. Here, kids, some pictures are given here. What today we have to learn about big and small. How? First of all, see this picture. What is this? This is a ring. What was the difference about that? These two rings, are they in same size? No, they are not in same size. One is big and one is small. So that is the difference of big and small object. So it is a big ring and it is a small. Next is shirts are given here. This is a big shirt and this is a small shirt. What was the difference? They are not in same size. One is big and one is small. So that's the difference of big and small object. Two toys. One is big car. One is small. So you have to recognize that big car and small car. Two bags are given here. Big bag, small bag. So these all pictures are recognized that this is a big and small objects. Okay. Next, here one activity is given here. What is that? Read. Color the big balls. Kids, whatever you have to do, you have to color the big balls. First, you have to recognize the big balls. Where is the big balls? First, see, this is the small balls. This and this is big balls. So you have to color this and this. This is not a big. This is a small. This one is big. So you have to color this big balls. Next is color the small apples. Here three apples are given here. First you have to recognize which is the small apples. This and this are small apples. It is big in size, so it is not a small, it is a big. This and this is small apples, so you have to color the small apples. And you have to color the apples red because the apples are red in color. Here you have to color the balls, whatever color you like, blue, green, okay. Now next activity is that take the objects that are big and circle the ones that are small. What we have to do, here some pictures are given here. We have to first take the big objects and then after we have to circle the small. First we recognize this big objects and take them. Strawberry. Two strawberries are given here. This is big. First take this teddy bear. This one is big. Take this triangle. This triangle is big. Take this. Now we take the big objects here. Now what we have to do? We have to circle the small. Now small objects are left over here. What we have to do? We have to circle the small objects. So it is easy for you to understand the big and small objects. Okay, kids. Now last activity is there. Here, color the big triangles red. What we have to do? 4 triangles are given here. But what it's written here that we have to color only the big triangles. Big triangles we have to color. This one is big. You have to color this. And this one is big. So we have to color these 2 triangles which are bigger in size. Okay, thank you.